What's up, guys? So today we've got 10 tips to help you keep your cool when it's hot outside. Because if you hadn't figured it out yet, these travel trailers, the insulation on them, it's not what you're used to in the sticks and bricks. In the summertime, it can get pretty hot in here.
Yeah, so we have air, and it's cold blowing air, but that's not all. That's not all you do is turn on the air conditioner and these things. You gotta work for your cool.
Yeah, especially when it's those nice sunshiny days in the summer when everybody wants to go camping. Those are the days you gotta work hard to make sure you stay cool. So here's 10 tips to help you stay cool.
So tip number 1, keep your blinds closed during the day. That way all of that sunlight, the heat from the sun, doesn't come in and warm up your RV. Kenny, quit playing with the neighbors.
I'm not.
Tip number 2, use your awning. That's what it's for. Putting your awning out allows the sun to be blocked for one side of your RV.
Hey, I'm gonna go put the awning out.
Tip number 3, keep your air filters clean. Check them. If you're full-time, I'd say every 2 weeks. Make sure they're clean and they're working well.
And of course ours are dirty when we do the video.
Tip number 4, don't wait until it's really hot in your RV before you decide to turn on your air. Then it's working really hard, and it's going to do so much better if you turn it on before it gets too hot.
You think it's alright if we turn the AC on yet? Oh, that's better.
Tip number 5. This one is a really good one. Get some reflexive from Lowe's or Camping World. Cut it to size to fit in your window and cover all of your windows. It will help reflect the sun out and not in.
Can you come hold the tape measure?
Tip number 6, minimize going in and out in the hottest parts of the day. That's a big area for heat to be coming in, so try to keep the door closed as much as possible. Shut the door! At least try. Tip number 7, close the doors you're not using. If you have doors on your RV, such as for bedrooms, bathrooms, if you're not using that area, close those doors. Keep the air on the part that you are in. Tip number 8, if you have vents on your return, open them when your doors are closed, so that way the air is coming in more on the main area and less on the part you're not using.
Oh man. Oh, that's nice. It's hot today. Whew. That's better.
Tip number 9, use portable fans. Get a couple small fans just to circulate the air. Keeping the air moving helps to keep it cool. Tip number 10, Turn off the lights when possible. If you have LED lights, it's not as big of a deal because they don't get as hot, but if you have regular lights, it's going to heat up your RV. So just turn them off during the day and when you're not using them.
What are you doing? Alright guys, so there's 10 things to help you keep your cool when it's hot outside. So we hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have some more tips that we didn't mention in the video, make sure you comment down below so that we can see what your tips are too to help us stay cool. And guys, as always, we appreciate all your support. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, hit the bell so you get notifications whenever we post new content, and definitely, most definitely, tell your friends. So guys, thanks for checking out our video this week. We will see you guys next week. Bye guys.